Hello everyone, today in this video we will discuss how to fix Snapchat app not working on Realme mobile. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, so go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, click on app management. Scroll down and search Snapchat app from here. You will see, for example, this is Snapchat app. Click on Snapchat app. Click on storage usage. If you want to fix Snapchat app problem, click on clear cache. After clear cache Snapchat app, you will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, so restart device. Just click on hot side power button and swipe up. After swipe up, you will see your problem is solved. After swipe of phone is restart, after restarting enter your phone pin and you will check your problem is solved. So that's how you can fix Snapchat app not working on Realme mobile. If you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.